create a retro and nostalgic products e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, you just go with login and you type in your email or your username. After typing your email, you click on next. And then you proceed to type in your password. After typing your password, you click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating your store is choosing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. After typing the name, click on continue. Then you have a question and you have 3 answers. You choose the answer that fits you. Then you do the same with this other question. After that, you choose the category of the items that you will be selling. So my store is in the niche of retro and nostalgic products. So I'm going to choose arts and crafts and also home and living. And if you can't find your category in this list, you just go with other, then click on continue. After that, if you already have a store in the real world, you type in the address of that store. If not, just skip this step and then you proceed to your dashboard. As you can see, and here in your right you have the edit site button, which takes us to the editing phase, and also we have the design now button, which does the same job as the edit site button. And here in your left you have 9 sections, and each one of these sections, I'm going to go through each one of these sections and explain it for you, starting with website, where we have the edit site button, which takes us to the editing phase. And then we have the domains button, where you can set your domain name or change the one that you already have. Then we have the items section, where we have the site items if you want to create new products or delete the ones that you already have. Then we have the site categories if you want to categorize your products. Then we have options, coupons, and so on. Then we have the orders section, where you can check all of your orders to see the fulfilled one, the shipped one, and the cancelled one. Then we have the fulfillment section, where you can set your pickup settings and your shipping settings. Then we have the reports section, where you can see all of your reports, such as the site's traffic, site's activity, sources, and so on. And if you want to see the summary of all these reports, you just click on summary. Then we have the marketing section, where you can find every tool that is related to growing your audience, starting with email, automated ads, and so on. And again, if you want to see the summary of all these tools, just click on summary. Then we have the communications section, where we have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. And then we have the settings section, where we have the general settings if you want to change your company name or your email, your address, or your phone number. Then we have the checkout, where you can set your payment processors, like connecting your Stripe account or your PayPal account. As you can see in here, you can connect your Stripe account or your PayPal account, or you can also change the country and the currency of your store, as you can see. Then we have the sales taxes if you want to set your tax settings. And then we have the units, where you can change the site's language, and also if you want to edit your units. So that's it guys for these sections. Let's close this one and let's go back to the overview, and then let's click on the edit site to proceed to the editing phase. So here just click on edit site and you will be able to go to the editing phase. So here we will just give it less than 15 seconds and it will be loaded up. So here, as you can see, just a second while we build your site, and it will not take much of time. Just wait for it to complete loading. And it's still loading. It will be good right now. Just be patient with the platform, guys. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time to load, but it's okay. As you can see, it's still loading. And the first thing we will see after it's loaded is the setup guide right in this place. And you can just ignore it, it will disappear on its own. So I think I will need to reload it again. So I'm just reloading it, and I will wait. So here it's loading, and here, as you can see, after it's loaded, we choose one of these styles to be the style of our store. So here I'm going to choose this one, and then hide styles and check if it fits the store. And I'm going to choose another one. I'm just going to leave it with this simple one, with the basic one. So I think this one is good. Then click on apply site styles. Then you have the site design if you want to change the style again, and also if you want to add an image to be your logo. Change fonts, which I'm going to change from Enter to Comforter, which is this one, and I will leave these settings like that. I will just make this one 1.30, or less, 1.24. Then click on done. After that, if you want to change the shape of the buttons, you can do that in here, also for the images. And then you click on done, and you close this one. Then you click on dismiss all, dismiss, and here you have all of your pages and sections. If you want to adjust them, just click on it and you will see all of the adjustments that you can do. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.